Hello and welcome to Taik. I am Mohammad Adnan, and in this video we are going to discuss about what is the future plan of Power BI. This is actually an useful thing when you are leading a team in your company, or even if you want to know in detail about what's the plan of Power BI for yourself also. That's actually a good thing, because if you are making your career in Power BI, you must have to get well aware of what are the functionalities it has and what are the things it's going to come in future, so that you can also plan and also support or suggest somebody else that if they ask for some kind of things or features available in Power BI or not, then you can just go through this and then you can answer them these answers, right? So Power BI has made an easy thing for us in order to find what are the future plans and what are the things which are going to release in upcoming months. So let's get started. If you're new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, just click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. But make sure you turn on the notification on your devices. Now let's get started. Now I am into my Power BI service account, and here in login to app.powerbi.com, and also if you look at on the right side, I just clicked on the apps here so that I am in the apps now. So if you click on the get apps on the right side, which is on the top right side, then it will open up a new window, and here you will get a lot of apps available here. So basically these are the third-party apps, most of them are from Power BI itself. So if you are in a company where there has lots of restrictions on that, then there may be a chances that you may not able to use this. But even though you can suggest them that you can enable this option so that you can aware of these things, or at least I will show you at the end of the video one more option. From there also you can get all these informations. So here on the all apps, if you scroll down, there is an app which is called Power BI Release Plan. If you click on that, then it will load this information, what are the things available here. And if you click here, zoom in here, with each release, Power BI adds features to help organization accelerate their delivery insights, right? So these are actually the release plans. So if I click on get it now, which is the free itself, then you need to fill few informations. Let me fill this information quickly. Accept the agreement and click on continue. So it just gives us a message here. Apps may contain security and privacy risks, only install from trusted authors and sources. So by installing this app, I agree to publish privacy policy and terms and condition. If you want to read, you can click on all those features here and click on install now. So it is installing the app. This could take a little while. Yeah, it is added here, and I can click on go to plan, or also I can click on the apps here. So if I click on go to plan, it's open up a new report. You are viewing this app with sample data. Okay, these are the release plans here, and if you look at here, these are the months which they are going to release now. So if you see here, they are just given up until March 2022, and these are the previous releases what they have released so far. So let's take an example of March, because they have not yet released so far. So here is the options they are going to release in March, and what are the functionalities which we have it here is the public preview, general availability, and released one. Is there any kind of segregations which they have added here? No, it's not like the Power BI desktop separate, Power BI service separate. It's everything is included here. So these are the things which they are going to release in March. Let's see what are the benefits we have, and if you want to go in detail about it, what it looks like and how this functionality works, here you have the link so that you can click on that link. It will open up a new window for this. And here I am getting a message, you are viewing this app with sample data, connect to your data. So if I click here, get started setting up your app, start by filling the parameters, then you will authenticate to add all data sources this app connects. This app doesn't have any parameters, and if I click on advanced, automatically refresh my data on at the night. Yeah, click on next here, and it is asking us the authentication method here. Let it be anonymous for now, and it should be public, and sign in and continue. And one more time you need to click here, sign in and continue. And now you are viewing this app with sample data. Refresh is in progress. So the refresh is in progress, so it will take a few minutes, and then hopefully we will see the latest data also, which is for the month of April, May, June and the upcoming months. Let's go back for now, and I just want to make sure, is there any kind of workspace it has created or not. So if I click on the workspaces, here you can see Power BI release plan, a new workspace is created here, and based on that a new app also is created here. So this is the data set which is created by Power BI, and it is now refreshing. And if you have a restrictions in your company and you are not able to install this application, then don't need to worry about that. We have one more way. I will just add this link in the description of this video. If you go inside to this one, there you can see these informations. So what's new and planned for Power BI, and these are the topics which is release plan from April 2022 through September 2022, which is a great, right? So they have segregated this into premium features and pro features, and these are the things which is coming up in premium, which is the data protection enhancements, highlighting centralized Power BI DLP policies, and this is going to release on April. And automatic aggregation hybrid tables enhancements, which is going to come in May 2022, which is great. So if you scroll down further and zoom on again, the Power BI report server May 2022 release and Power BI report server September release, and chargeback reporting for Power BI premium administrator. This is going to be a good thing for me because there was not much information available for us being an administrator of the Power BI to manage things. Hopefully they will come up with a great Power BI report kind of thing. So this is going to release initially at the June, which is here the preview, and general availability is on September 2022. That's good. So when we go to Power BI Pro, so here the list of available things which they are going to release in the upcoming months. I will just add those features, this link into this video, so that you can go and check out these features as well. Now let's go back and have a look into this one. This is still refreshing. So now the report is also refreshed here, and you can see it is till September, and what are the things they are going to release. Everything is mentioned here as well. Yeah, please go and check out these features here, and let me know in the comment section below which features you are mostly awaiting for Power BI to release as soon as possible. So this is how you can able to use this link or use this app to understand what is the future plans of Power BI, just well prepared of all your kind of development and your company future plans as well. If you like this video, just click on the big thumbs up button. If you are new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, just click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. But make sure you turn on the notification on your devices. Share it with your friends and colleagues. If you have any queries and feedback, just post it in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Keep learning. See you in the next video.